Nicole, and I'm going to show you how to make an origami torpedo plane. Okay, so first you're going to take your piece of printer paper and fold it in half lengthwise. So you want it to get as lined up as you can, or else the plane won't fly very well. So run your fingernail over that a few times and open it back up. And we're going to take this edge and fold it onto this edge, this crease that we have just made. So, like so. And now we're going to do the same. Fold this edge onto this edge, but it's already made from this piece of paper. So if your paper was perfectly aligned right here, these corners should be aligned. And so now we're going to fold this edge onto this edge again. And we're going to do the same with the other side. This edge onto this edge. So it should end up like this. Now we're going to take this edge again, fold it onto this edge. And this is the last time that we fold these edges. Alright, so do the same with the other side. It should end up looking like this. But these edges are not going to be aligned unless you have done it perfectly and measured everything the whole way. But I have most certainly not done that. And so now we're just going to take this edge right here, and just see where this corner is right here. You open it up a bit and fold it right on that, but not so far. And so it should end up looking like that. And once it's like that, do the same to the other side. So they should look like this. So once you have that, this is the trickiest part of the whole thing. And it's not super tricky. You're gonna open this up, and if you see this line, it was the first fold we ever made. You're going to fold on it. But if you see right here, it automatically makes this fold right here, which actually helps it to fly a lot better. And so, you can see this is what the airplane should end up looking like from the front. And so I'm going to show you how it flies. Hopefully this one will fly as well as now I'll show you how this one works. Alright, here. This one should work.